Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2018 BMW K1600GTL. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2018 BMW K1600GTL with 35,669 miles passes New Hampshire State Inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips and seats, TPMS, an electronic suspension, a keyless ignition, an electronic windshield, quick shifter, and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. We have installed a new rear tire. Powered by a 1649cc inline 6-cylinder engine, the K1600 puts 158 horsepower and 129 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 7-gallon fuel tank, the K1600 has a 200 to 270 mile range. It has a 29.5-inch seat height and weighs in at 758 pounds wet. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 3/30 seconds, and installed a new rear tire. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint blemish on the left mirror case. This bike has an owner's manual, toolkit, 1 key, and 1 fob. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.